through fire and rain, felt the sorrow, felt the pain, but we never walked alone. We have built a heart of stone. When the world was turning cold, we held on and took control. We believed we'd find the way to a brighter, better day. No mountain is too high to climb. We will conquer space and time. Hand in hand we stand as one, until the battle